In this video, we're going to accomplish two things. We're going to go over what is a cornerstone page and why it's so important for SEO, especially in competitive niches, which
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
almost all niches these days are competitive, so it's going to be a really important concept for us, and we're going to use it as a reinforcement and a reminder of what are the important things to have on a page. And the example we're going to use is my page about how to get business ideas. As you can imagine, every business in the business or entrepreneurship space at some point or another has created a page like this. This is a really common topic, and so there's many extremely good pages on this topic. So any old page just cannot compete. So what do? I create a cornerstone page. Let me define that. It's basically a page that has the best information on the topic and covers it in the most authoritative way and gives a lot of examples and a lot of different kinds of content and covers it from many different angles. These kinds of cornerstone pages are usually long form content, maybe 1,000 words, 2,000 words. Some people go even crazier because they really want to give the topic really full coverage. And what's really great about these kinds of pages is that longer engagement, longer readership actually creates really good usability signals for Google, because Google sees people are spending a lot of time on this page, which is a quality signal, and that boosts SEO. And because there's so much content and you cover the subject matter from so many angles, when I scroll down, you see all the long tail keywords. So the short tail keyword for this thing will be business ideas, of course. Slightly longer tail keyword here would be how to get business ideas. Okay, but everybody is trying that. So when I scroll down, you see I have like a really long table of contents. Essentially, this page links to itself. And then I have a video on how to get business ideas. So it has rich content, photos, as you saw up there, videos. Then I start talking about passions and interests, improve the world kind of stuff, mobile apps for business ideas, business idea validation. That's a keyword. Should you keep your business idea secret? Should you be private about it? You see, these are long tail keywords of the short tail business idea keyword. You see, these are longer variation, and I can keep going. Like I got the word strategy here, plan. Should you protect your business idea, which is a little repetitive what we've had before, but still multiple business ideas. These are all keywords that people come across. Not sure about your business idea, different types of business ideas. But again, I got the validation, so it's a little unorganized in this case, but still business plan for your business idea. You get it. And this can go even way long tail, because look at what I'm doing here. Business idea for a restaurant, cleaners, lawn care, home improvement, website. You see, so there's a lot of long tail variations here, and it just goes on and on. Business idea evolution, improve your ideas, and it almost never ends, right? I keep scrolling. Case study, that's all secondary keywords, long tail keywords. So if you're competing in a super competitive niche, this is what you want to do. And it's still not a guarantee that you're going to rank, but at least you make your page competitive for ranking. And I can keep going. Business idea mistakes, bad business ideas, you get it. So you need embedded videos, images, a lot of keyword variation, H2 tags. These are H2 tags in my case. The H1 tag is the main title. If I scroll all the way up, this is the H1 tag, and the subsections are the H2 tags. So you want to have one H1 tag per page and a few H2 tags, like a good number is 5. Here, I went really overboard. But in your case, at least use between 5 and 10 H2 tags. That's a good amount. And the content in the page has to be well written, good grammar. In my case, this is an old page, so some of it is confusing. But in your case, make sure you get it proofread, good grammar, good spelling, all those things. And the content itself has to be actually really insightful. It can't be just stuffing, because if the content is good, people will share. The users will give off really positive signals to Google, and Google will interpret that as a quality signal about the page and rank the page higher. So when all these things are done really well and they start playing well together and it starts working, then that actually is the right way to create a Cornerstone page that will rank higher. Not to mention that whenever you have many topics you cover, you have more of a chance to interlink this page to other pages on your site to related topics. So this is a less is more strategy, because you'll have fewer pages, but each one of your pages will be much higher quality and will have a chance to compete for competitive keywords.